Welcome again on Igbo History TV. I still remain your brother Chiso Natugo. There is this video flying up and down about GMO plants. There's something I want our people to know. A wise person needs to ask himself, what is actually the intention of Bill Gates in Africa? What is the agenda of Bill Gates in Africa? Why is he propagating these GMO products, these GMO plants? What is his intentions? The worst part of it is most of our black people are buying to the idea. They are buying into the idea. Most of them are, the man is pushing it into our universities. If you go to University of Port Harcourt, University of Calabar, and some other universities in Nigeria, they are being taught, our children, the students are being taught about the GMO, and are being they are being misled into believing that the GMO is safe for us. But according to Dr. Njamanzi, these GMO products are very harmful to our people, to our health. Many countries have banned these GMO products, including China and some other European countries. Why is this man bringing these crops into Africa? Last time there is a report that Boko Haram was being sponsored by US through what is called USAID. And that accusation hasn't been refuted. Hasn't been refuted. What is the reason what is the actual reason why these people are sponsoring Boko Haram? What is their intention? The same agenda. They want to control what we eat. And anybody who controls what you eat controls how you live. No one survives without food. These Boko Haram or Fulani herdsmen, or whatever they call them, always target the farmers. Why are they targeting the farmers? Why are they kidnapping the farmers and asking them to pay huge ransoms? They have one agenda. They want to control what we eat. They want to depopulate us. They want to make us dependent on them. Now they're using these people to kill our farmers. They're using these people to kill our farmers. And also pushing these crops, these GMO crops, into our society. In the past, we have these tall palm trees and other organic plants in our land. They recently introduced agri products, of which all of us know that agri products are sometimes those palm trees will no longer yield any fruit. It will no longer bear any fruit, and you have to go and buy it again and replant. Unlike our organic, our own indigenous palm tree and other plants in our land. Most of them will bear fruit until they die. But these agric ones, at some point, they will stop bearing fruit. That will show you that it is not natural. Now, these GMO plants, after harvest, we always reserve some crops so that we will replant it in the next farming season. But with these GMO plants, we no longer do that. Every season, you have to be buying it from them. Every season. Because most of these plants we no longer have, most of these fruits we no longer have seeds for you to replant. Some that have seeds will no longer grow in the land, in the soil, because it is not natural. Those GMO products we are developed in a lab. So I want our people to be careful of the GMO products. It is not safe. Many people have said it and have proven that it is not safe for our health. Most of this causes cancer and other health-related issues. It is not health-wise. It is not good for our health. They want to use it to depopulate us, to control our population, and to control us through food and what we eat. So I want our people to be at alert and be aware of what is going on in our society. You are paying most of these doctors, most of these social media influencers to make you believe that what is bringing to you is safe to you. But Bill Gates failed to take those products to America and China and other parts of the world. But why is he so much concerned in Africa? He want to depopulate us. They want to control what we eat. They want to control us through food. GMO products will make us starve for food because you no longer replant any crops you harvested. You no longer replant them. You have to go and buy it from them. So anytime any amount they want, they will call for you. Anytime they want, they will sell it for you. They can decide not to sell it anymore. And now, if you know our people, if many people begin to buy these GMO products, our native plants will die off because nobody will plant them again because these GMO plants are bigger, much more bigger. They look much bigger than our native ones. So people will always want the one that is bigger. So that is the problem we are going to face. So everybody needs to be very careful. I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification icon for more updates, share this message, let it go wide, let it go viral, let our people be at alert that this man began to paying most of these content creators. He's paying them to support these GMO products, which many doctors have proven that it is not good for health. And now he's paying most of our people because you know that in this part of the world we are poor. Africa is poor. And they want us to be more poorer. Because if these GMO products get into the society, I weep for Africa. Many of our people will die of hunger. Many of our people will die of hunger. So our people used to say that firewood that is in our land will always don our food. Any firewood waiting for any land, we always don the food of those people. They will always use them to cook their food. It will be enough for any food they want to cook. So the nature blessed us with what we are eating, and our ancestor has been eating. So we don't need these GMO plants. We don't need these GMO products in Africa. We don't need them at all. Thank you and remain blessed. Drop your comments and tell us your mind about this video. Thank you. Meet you in my next update. Thank you.